I know running a custom clothing apparel is very difficult, especially when you don't have a website, and it gets very difficult to take orders from Messenger or Instagram platforms. So I found the easiest way to do it. So it's basically you send an image with all the details, so it cuts down the number of conversation you have. So I'll show it to you, and I have the template. You can download the template. Link will be in the description, and it's free. So you just download it and you put your logo, do some branding work, and you'll be fine. I'll show you an example. So I'll go to my Facebook page. As you can see, we actually have a lot of messages pending, but that can wait right now. Going to have a conversation and tell you how I reply to my messages. So I'll just quickly write, I wanted to order a custom t-shirt. I straight off send them the size and the price chart. This minimizes the number of conversations, interaction, and customers really want quick answers, quick replies, right? For customs, by the way, I save all the replies here. That's the customers will only ask 5 to 10 questions, and those are the same replies. So I don't type every time. I just send them the saved replies. So I send them this thing called, hey, we only do one color. So since I do vinyl, I send them this image, which is basically a design template. And then they'll send me what number they want. So if it's 1, they want 9x4 chest, a 5x5 on the side, something like this. So the customers will reply to the which number they want to order and the design file. The customer has replied with 1, which means they want a design here. So they want, I want money written on the chest. So now you have a basic idea. And you could actually go and also show them a few fonts, even though I don't do that, but you could actually do that. And that will make things very easy. So I hope this helps. If you want, you can download this template and use it. It's free. And I've also removed my logo and everything else. So you can put your logo and DM this to everyone, and that will be helpful for you. All right, that brings us to the end of this video. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. This is a very small channel, so I hope this helps. And also, if you want to see more, you can follow all of these videos. Thank you for watching.